This tutorial will explain the visualization and configuration functions used for analysis of radar data. The visualization function improves visualization and optimizes data analysis but has lower impact on the actual data processing. Users have a choice of 9 different color schemes. The blue color scheme is the default selection, and typically for raw data analysis, the gray color scheme is used. The contrast parameter adjusts contrast of the displayed image. For weaker reflectors, such as PVC pipe, adjusting the contrast setting can greatly improve the visualization. For clearer object visualization, check the Object Smoothing box. This works best if objects are aligned in one direction and if they're relatively long objects. Activation of this filter is not recommended for objects that are inclined in relation to the coordinate axes or for objects with a very irregular shape. Whenever using the Object Smoothing function, you should also adjust the 3D display threshold. If its value is reduced, objects that provide a very weak reflection will also be displayed. The 3D viewing angle changes the angle from which data is viewed. Use the mouse for Custom View or select a preset value for Spatial Dimension from the drop-down menu. The crosshair function defines the cross-section and top view in X and Y directions. Adjust the thickness and cutoff sliders to improve the scan results for the displayed slice. After defining the slice thickness, move the Z slider in 2D view to identify which object layer is on top. The cutoff slider can also be used to exclude data from the visualization, for example, to remove the back wall reflection. Under the 3D cross-section, you can define if a cross-section should be added to the 3D view to separate layers or show the base material layer. The transparency of cross-sections can be adjusted to show objects located behind each layer. The visualization of electromagnetic sensor data can be switched on using the EM sensor function to distinguish live electrical conduit from other radar-detected objects. Ferroscan data can also be added in the same data visualization using the Ferroscan overlay function. The configuration function is used to adjust the visibility and the colors of the elements, but doesn't impact data processing. Choose whether to display vertical, horizontal, or all scan data by using the Show Hide Colors section. The colors of the elements can be set and the visibility of each element can be controlled using the checkbox. The default color button resets all colors to the original values. The concrete block section is available only in the 3D visualization. The On/Off checkbox can be used to show or hide the 3D visualization. The 3D transparency slider is used to set the transparency, and the thickness slider is used to set the thickness of the concrete block.